Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can connect the Beats Studio Tree to the iPhone 16 or the iPhone 16 Pro or the Pro Max. So first what you want to do is on your iPhone we're going to go back to the home screen, and when you turn on your Beats Studio Tree, sometimes it will appear on your iPhone screen offering you to connect. So on the Bit Studio here, there is a small button at the bottom. You want to press on it. So press on this button. Now press and hold for a few seconds. Once you press and hold for a few seconds, there is a pop-up that says connect. Now if for some reason you do not have this pop-up, you can go into settings. So in here we can go into settings, and in settings we go down and tap on Bluetooth. Then just wait for the Bluetooth to scan for unavailable device. If not, you can turn off Bluetooth and then switch it back on and wait for your Beats Bluetooth device to appear down here. Now again, you may need to press on this power button. So press and hold on that button there. Once you press and hold the button, there should be a pop-up. So from here, you want to tap on connect. Alright, it is now connecting. And once it is connected, it shows how much battery you have left on your headphone. So tap on continued. And that's it, it is now connected. Tapping on the information button will give you the model name, model number, serial number, and the version. In here you can change the name of your device, of your headphone, so you can change it. You can set the noise control to off, transparency, or noise cancellation. And here you got coverage information as well. And that's it. So after that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.